In this video, I will review Papel token. It is a DeFi token and it is listed in CoinMarketCap and rank is 3310. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and like this video. This will help my channel to grow fast. Today, the Papel token price is 0.000007 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 63,781 USD. Papel token is down 12.98% in the last 24 hours. If you go to their website, you can find where it is listed. Recently, it is listed in Hotbit exchange. This is a big news for this token. Papel token holders will have the ability to mint NFTs in the future. You will also be able to attend community-related activities and events. It is 100% community-driven token and fair-launched. Every trade contributes toward automatically generating liquidity locked inside PancakeSwap LP. Holders earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of Papel grow indefinitely. It is now available in Hotbit exchange and will be available on Bitmart soon. And this token is burned already 90% of the total supply, which is good. They have 5,629 followers in Twitter and they have 20,549 holders right now and it is increasing. If you want to buy this token, just go to your Trust Wallet dApps. You just need to deposit some BNB to Trust Wallet and then open PancakeSwap exchange. Make sure the network is Binance Smart Chain and set the old version. Then click select a currency and enter the contract address and add Papel token. I will put this address to the description box. If you cannot copy the address, then go to my Telegram channel. You can easily copy the address from my Telegram channel. Now swap BNB for Papel token. Slippage tolerance should be 11%. If you find any problem, comment me in the comment section. I will try to solve your problem. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor and I am not telling you to buy or sell any coin. Please do your own research and then take your decision. That is all for now. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Stay well, stay tuned.